Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm William, and in today's video, I'll show you how to actually translate your children's storybook into different languages. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So after you've written your storybook and then in your Google Docs, what you want to do to translate it is using these simple steps. You click on Tools, then you scroll down to Translate Documents. Then you want to rename your document. So let's say B story, STORY book. And then you want to select the language in which you want the book to be translated into. So for me, I want German. So I'll click down and then select the German, and then I'll click on translate. What it does is that it opens a new document with the same file, but it has been translated into a different language altogether. So this is how we translate children's book manuscript. And then next, what you want to do is that you want to go over to your design or the software you're using for your design, and then start inserting the text or your script into the design. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly remember to subscribe and share with your friends as well. Bye bye. See you next time.